Alright, so it's July 16th. We're starting on Evil Dead. Working on Chainsaw. I saw this on Indie Mogul. So we're building our own little props here. Don't have a whole lot of money to spend, so we're going to build a chainsaw out of, this is an Arizona green tea container, an old Tupperware container, some flashing, a couple other little things here, some wood, dowel, just various little knickknacks. So this is the beginning of the process, and we'll go back to it here in a little bit. Alright, so this is where we're at right now. We've got about half the frame together, so you can see what parts are what: thin wood, the Tupperware container, and the green tea container. I'll flip it over for you really quick so you can kind of see just the inside of it. Some L brackets, bolts. That's about it. The magic of theater right here. Alright, so 2 hours of work and we have our base for the chainsaw. That's what it is. Some dowel, L brackets, wood, 3-inch hose coupler, dyed green tea. There's a little Tupperware container. You look at the inside, there's a dowel to hold on to. Now let's go inside. Whoa! If we're able to see anything, that's what it is. So now it's on to detail and finishing up, painting, all that fun stuff. So first project done. So here it is. Got your gas cap up here. You got your muffler. And we actually put in a retractable pull starter on there. So up top here, it's a little toggle switch. I think you've seen everything else inside, handle, all that fun stuff. So now it's just to clean up, paint, get the chain on there, and we'll have a finished chainsaw. Alright, so here it is. Paint it, quick paint. Still got a little detail work, some blood, shadowing and stuff, but it's a little quick spray paint job. Alright, we're getting close to being done with it. Just got a few details left to do and some paint stuff. So I think it's starting to look like a chainsaw.